Welcome to the Inner Health Way. If you suffer from stiff knees, swelling after walking, or burning joint pain, you might think it's just aging. But what if I told you that in as little as 12 hours, your body could start repairing your joints naturally? And all you need are certain fruits that are probably already in your kitchen. Say goodbye to swollen legs. 8. Collagen boosting fruits for healthy joints and legs. Part 1. The root cause of joint pain and swelling. Many people believe that joint pain, swollen legs, or stiff knees are simply signs of aging. However, the hidden culprit is collagen loss, a crucial protein that maintains flexibility in joints and muscles. According to research, after the age of 30, the body loses about 1% of its collagen each year. By age 65, most collagen has been severely depleted, leading to joint pain, swelling in the knees, and discomfort after walking or standing for long periods. Fortunately, certain fruits contain compounds that naturally stimulate collagen regeneration within just 12 to 48 hours when consumed correctly. Here are the 8 scientifically proven fruits that powerfully restore collagen. Part 2. 8 fruits that help rebuild collagen. 8. Kiwi boosts vitamin C, supports joint flexibility. Though small, kiwi is a collagen production factory, thanks to its high vitamin C content. Just 2 kiwis a day can increase plasma vitamin C levels by 31% within a week, helping reduce knee stiffness and improve flexibility. Eat fresh kiwi with its skin in the morning to maximize nutrient absorption. Number 7. Pineapple relieves joint pain with bromelain. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme. Studies on arthritis patients show that bromelain can reduce joint pain by 41% after 30 days. Pineapple also provides manganese, which supports collagen synthesis. Number 6. Papaya speeds up collagen production. Few know that papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks proteins into amino acids essential for collagen formation. After 2 weeks of consistent consumption, joint flexibility improves significantly. 5. Guava, the vitamin C king, reduces inflammation. Guava contains 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. An Asian study found that eating guava daily for 6 weeks significantly reduced joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity. Number 4. Blackberry protects collagen from breakdown. Blackberries are rich in anthocyanins, purple pigments that inhibit enzymes responsible for collagen breakdown in joints. Daily blackberry consumption reduced inflammation markers by 25% in older adults. Number 3. Blueberry repairs cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. Blueberries are dubbed superfoods for collagen protection due to their flavonoid content, which helps repair micro-damage in ligaments, cartilage, and tendons. After 14 days of regular intake, joint flexibility improved noticeably in elderly participants. Number 2. Strawberry inhibits enzymes that weaken cartilage. Strawberries are rich in ellagic acid, which inhibits collagenase, the enzyme that weakens cartilage during inflammation. After just 2 weeks of strawberry consumption, knee osteoarthritis patients experienced a 37% reduction in inflammation markers and noticeable pain relief. Number 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry, the most powerful collagen booster. Amla offers highly stable vitamin C combined with polyphenols that powerfully stimulate new collagen production. A study in India showed that after 12 weeks of amla supplementation, elderly individuals saw a 42% reduction in joint pain, a 24% increase in collagen density, and significant improvement in muscle strength. Part 3. Conclusion. Simple habits for long-term joint health. Joint pain and swollen legs are not inevitable with aging. With just a few familiar fruits each day, you can support your body in rebuilding collagen from within, leading to more flexible, stronger legs in just a few days. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. You might help them avoid years of joint pain and swelling.